friends, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you are aware that I am back with another product empties. I have emptied quite a lot of products. I'll show you the basket. Like I have got these many products in this basket to talk about actually. So I'll be covering all the products that I have used, because it is very satisfying to use up products, and at the same time I can give you my consolidated thoughts after I have used it. I can give you a fair idea of whether I'll be repurchasing it or not. If not, on what are the grounds for that. So I'll be covering a lot of details. So if you are interested in product empties and mini reviews associated with it, make sure you check the entire video, because I have got perfume, makeup, skincare, hair care and a lot of stuff. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. I'll randomly pick up a product and talk about it. And if you get background noises, please excuse it. I live in a congested area. It is very hard to find a time when there is no traffic or there is no construction work happening otherwise. So yeah, please bear with me and we'll get started with the products. Okay, so the first product that came to my hand is a shower gel. I have been using this Body Shop's shower gel in the variant Shea. This is a great shower gel for winters because it's a cream douche. Even it's written here creme de douche. I don't know, since it's empty, you will be able to read the writing or not. The formula for this shower gel is of creamy consistency. It's super rich and moisturizing, so it's very good for people who have dry skin, or even if you are of oily skin like I am and you still want to experience this shower gel, make it a point to reach out for it during winters, because I am pretty much sure in the upcoming winter, when the next winter comes, I will definitely reach out for this one. Just like any other shower gel from Body Shop, this is 250 ml, which retails for rupees 345. Moving on to a face wash. This is Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic Neem and Tea Tree face wash. I love this face wash very much because this is acne control and oil control. Trust me, when I was using it, I didn't break out and not too much of oil secretion was also happening. But then again, I was using this in the months of February and March. It was not super hot in February, so I guess that was fine, but in March it was hot, and it helped me to stop, it prevented fresh acne, and if you see any acne peeking out, that is for a different product and I'll show you which one. But it helped me fight those acne a lot. This is a very good product. It has a gel-like consistency, which was very relaxing and perfect for oily skin people. I love this product. I highly recommend it. I have another tea tree face wash from Body Shop with me. That's why I won't be repurchasing it. Otherwise, in future, if I'm running out of tea tree face washes, I might reach out for this one because it's a good product. So for 100 ml, you pay rupees 160 here. And of course, on various discounts, you will save some more money. Next, moving on to a cream. This is a cream called Little Black Dress from Avon. If you are aware, people who love Avon products or perfumes, Little Black Dress is an iconic perfume that they have from the range of Avon, and this is the cream variant for it. This is something I got it free from some purchase long time back. I don't remember actually, but it is a super thick and moisturizing cream. It's even called skin softener. So this is not for face at all. This is meant for body. I used it on my hands and my feet, and it was very moisturizing. I don't know if I can squeeze out something now to show you the consistency. No, every inch is used up. So this one, as I am not aware of the price point, if I see any reference online, I will link it up. You can check it, or else I'll try to mention it on screen if I find it, because this one, I can see this is a 100 ml product, but since this was a gift, I have no clue as to the pricing. But will I buy it on its own? No, there are tons of creams in the market and this is nothing exceptional. But yes, if you want to layer this with the Little Black Dress fragrance, then this is a great addition for layering. Otherwise, it's a basic cream, nothing special about it. Next up, this is a hair oil. This is from Parachute and in the variant Jasmine. We have used this up. Mainly, this is used by my husband, and he has used this up completely. So yeah, this is something that. So yes, this is a variant that my husband prefers, and this one retails for ₹44. You will definitely get more discount on this. So whenever you purchase it, or a free product, it has got 52 grams of product, and it works fine as a coconut oil with a hint of jasmine scent in it. It's good. It's not bad. It's good, and yeah, it's something. It's very commonly there in more or less every household. So yeah. Next up. So we have used this one. Yeah, this is a V because both of us used it. This is the Good Vibes Mulberry face wash. This is a lightening face wash, and that is not the purpose was when we ordered this. Trust me, I have no interest in lightening products at all. I'm pretty much happy with the skin color I am blessed with. But mulberry was written to be very, I mean, as per the description on Purple, mulberry was very good for dry skin, as it is very nourishing. And it is very true, because my husband has dry skin. I used it very rarely. It was mostly used by my husband, and he has dry skin. And this worked very well with well on him. His face stayed moisturized and hydrated even after the face wash. So forgetting the lightening part, because that was not the purpose at all for which we purchased this. This is a good face wash, but I recommend it. Nothing much. I mean, there are tons of face washes in the market, so this is not something that I'll highly recommend. Even for dry skin, you will get nourishing face washes. If the lightening part was removed, then I would have recommended it, maybe. So yeah, it's not a bad face wash. It's just it's a generic. It's a nice. It's okay-ish face wash. In case you want to buy it, I will share the pricing. This is ₹175, and of course you get tons of discount. Good Vibes on Purple, so you can make use of it and purchase it in case you want to. Okay, next up I have two hair masks to talk about. I mean, it's one hair mask, two tub. I have used this up. This is the Himalaya Protein Hair Cream Extra Nourishment. This acted very nice on my hair. My hair breaks very easily, and protein is good for your hair. So if you apply extra protein as in form of mask creams, then it's actually very healthy and nourishing for your hair. I have used up these two fully, and I'll show you as well. I'll show it to you as well. I've scooped up every bit possible. There is nothing remaining here. I just stored this for the video only to show that it's done. No part is left. This was a very hydrating, a very nourishing. As the name suggests, it's protein hair cream for extra nourishment. It does provide nourishment to your hair. All you need to do is apply generously on your scalp as well as to your tip of your hair. Massage it, and then you can rinse it, but I like to apply it, massage it, and keep it at least for an hour or two, and then I rinse it off, and my hair becomes smooth, softer, and it breaks less. It becomes less frizzy. So yes, if frizz is an issue that you have, then this will be a very good one for you. I have already placed orders for this one because I have only one remaining with me. Whenever those comes, I'll start again using them. These are really good, and from a price point perspective, I will highly recommend it. It's a 100 ml product that you get, and you pay ₹80. I have very thin hair, decently long but thin hair. That's why on my hair I get 2.5 usages out of one tub, because for the third usage I have to dip my finger into the next tub. So I get 2.5 usages out of one tub, and that is how two are used up. Okay, next up, it's a very essential product. This is the Hip Hop cleansing charcoal nose strips. This is something that I can't live without. I have already backups of this. If you suffer from blackheads and whiteheads around your nose area specifically, no amount of exfoliation, because you can't exfoliate a lot. It will be bad for your skin. It will result in wear and tear, small wear and tear, which is not something that you want. So nose strips come very handy when I need to get rid of the blackhead and whitehead quickly, and I don't want to go into a detailed exfoliation process. So I live by it. I love it a lot. In this one packet you get 3 strips, and you pay something around 90, so it's like 30 each strip. This is expensive, but I never pay full price. I always watch out for discounts and then only I purchase it. I already have 2 backups of this, which proves itself that I love this product and I recommend it every time. Next up, I have a deodorant that my husband used, and I like to use this as well. This is Wildstone Code in the variant Gold. I have reviewed this fragrance in detail, this deodorant. I will link it up here, right here, so that you can check it out. I love this fragrance. This is one of the top fragrances in my, as per my nose actually, from the Wildstone variant. I love the steel, chrome, gold, every variant possible that Wildstone has, but gold is, it's beautiful. It smells luxurious. Do I have, it's a couple of spritzes were there. My God, it's a stunning fragrance. I love it like anything. It has got a beautiful, fruity, floral and a woody concoction going on. It's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. If you are in love with fragrances, and if you are a man watching this video or a woman, I wear it as well. It's so beautiful. If you want to give this a try, trust me, you won't regret it. It is that good and I highly recommend it. It's just awesome. I mean, it's rich, it's aromatic. I can't rave enough. Please go and check out that video. You will see why am I saying this, and this is one of the highest recommendations from my side. And you pay rupees 250 for a 120 ml bottle. Of course, you will get discounts, which will be leading to a lesser amount spent. Next up, I have another deodorant that I used. Dove. This is actually very unisex. So my husband also used it with me. This is Ajmal's Jade. I have done a detailed review for this one as well. I'll link that up right here. Please feel free to check it out if you are into fragrances. Like I always say about this fragrance, if I ever have to recommend any one fragrance from Ajmal, it will be Jade. If you don't want to try any other fragrance from Ajmal as well, try this one. They have a perfume variant of this one as well. If you don't want to spend so much, deodorant is just the right pick for it, because the concentration might be different. The smell is beautiful and same. I don't remember. Yeah, the pricing for this is 150 ml you pay rupees 225, and of course on discount you will get something much lesser. This is floral, fruity, powdery, musky. It's all good things into one bottle. I highly recommend you to check this out. Just try it once and you will thank me later. Then I have, I guess I have chipped off the other part. Yeah, it's not there. So then I use this Lotus SPF 3-in-1 matte block SPF 40 sunscreen. I usually cut tubes and use up and scoop up the product as much as possible. Very middle class of me, but yeah, you're paying. You should utilize every bit of the product that you spent your hard-earned money on. The other part, I guess I have thrown it away because I can't find it in my box. So yeah, this is something I will go on. I will go back to again and again. I already have a backup of this one, but currently I'm using the Mamaearth sunscreen. So will I repurchase this one? Of course, there is no question also involved here. I will repurchase it. And for this is like, I have gone through tons and tons of tubes, and I will continue going on because this suits my skin like anything. No other sunscreen, since I have used an alternative now from Mamaearth, I can safely say no other sunscreen suits my skin the way this one does, and I will be going back to this one every time unless I try something else and I find it better. Okay, for 100-gram product you are supposed to pay rupees 395, but I'm sure on discount you will save some more money. As a sunscreen, this gives you a light coverage because it's kind of a foundation based. I mean, it has got a tint to it. Nothing will come out because but if you can see inside, it has got a tiny tint to it, so if you wear it, it will give you certain amount of coverage as well, and that is precisely why I like this sunscreen more than any other sunscreen. Of course, it doesn't break me out and suits my skin, but it also gives a basic coverage. So if you don't want to wear a lot of products on your skin on an everyday basis, this is a good thing to go for. Next up, I have used up a body cream, and this is something that was gifted by my relatives abroad. This is from Australia. This has got Australian emo oil as well. It's an intensive moisture body cream. From the size of the tub, you can understand how much product there was, and I have scooped up every bit of the product, and it's a very nourishing moisturizing cream, great for your body. If you have dry skin or oily skin, it will help you get smooth moisturized skin like nothing else. It's a great product. I will not get any link for this one, so this is something I have used up. I wanted to mention, but yeah, I don't think I will have reference for this one. Okay, next up, there is another perfume that my husband used up. This is Miniso. This is from Miniso. It's called Justice Striker. It is an extremely affordable yet a great fragrance. This is something everybody should give it a try at least once. I don't know. No, it's a tiny bottle. This is 50 ml, and this, I don't know the pricing for this. Wait, is it mentioned below? Yes, it's 460. It is so sensual, so mysterious, attractive. It's great. I mean, if you are into masculine fragrances, please give it a try. If you are a man watching this, or you want to gift it to your man, brother, father, anybody, everybody will like this. This is such a mass-pleasing fragrance, and in the most inoffensive manner, people will only enjoy this. So, great purchase, highly recommended, and yeah, we will be repurchasing this for sure. Then I have used a lot of perfumes in this video because we have used up quite a bit. As summers are approaching, we'll use up perfumes faster. I know this is same for me and my husband. So I have also used up this body mist from Awesome. This is in the variant Blossom. I love this one. Yeah, this is the top fragrance for me in the Awesome's older line. They had Aqua, Pleasure, something was aquatic, that was, I forgot the names actually. This is Blossom. I have done detailed review for all three. I have used this up. I love this fragrance. It's a sweet, candy sweet fragrance. If you are not into it, this will be sickeningly sweet for you. Stay away from this. But if you are into sweet fragrances, fruity types, then this will be your pick, of course. What I think about repurchasing this is I won't be repurchasing this, not because I don't like this fragrance. I love this a lot. The reason I won't be repurchasing this is only because I have got a lot of perfumes and I rarely like to repeat them, because otherwise then I won't get the chance to use and test out a lot of fragrances. This is the sole reason why I won't be repurchasing this. But if I ever think about revisiting Awesome fragrances, then in all the variants available from this line, I will be repurchasing this and this alone. You pay, I guess, rupees 249 for 115 ml, and of course on discount that will be much lesser. This is easily available in your local markets as well as online presence is quite good. It's a great budget-friendly option for school and college goers. We have another deodorant. This is from He. This is the power variant. This is something my husband used up. This is also a nice fragrance, but I am not a super fan of this one. It's okay, it's good. It's a citrusy, woody combination fragrance. It's good, it's nice. Will I recommend it? If I'm giving my recommendation to Wild Stone, and in comparison to that, I won't be recommending this because you will get better in market. The Wild Stone code, you're paying 250 for 120 ml. And you're paying 220 for 120 ml. Yeah, this is expensive. This is compared to that, this is cheaper, but I would recommend this over this one any day. Not that the he one is bad, just saying. Okay, let's finish up the perfumes first. I have got 2 more to go. I have also finished this small awesome, the latest variants that they launched, and this is in the teaser variant. I love this one. This one is a soft, floral, fruity, nice kind of a fragrance. It will suit every age group, but I believe school and college goers will enjoy it most because it's a fun-loving fragrance. It's addictive as well. I have done detailed review for this one as well, so if you want, you can please check those out. It will be there on my channel. These are very affordable, budget-friendly options. The pricing is completely wiped off after repeated uses. I guess this was something rupees 60 or 80 for a 25 ml. I'm not sure. If I find this, I will link it up in the description box below, or else I'll leave the pricing on screen. But this is a great fragrance. Even the other variant that Awesome has, which is Cherish, that is also very good. That is in the blue one. I have used both of them up. I'm not going to repurchase them solely for the reason because I want to try other fragrances. If I go on repurchasing, then my vanity will never be empty of any fragrances. So that is why, and that is the only reason I will not repurchase. Will I recommend this? Definitely. It's a great fragrance, worth trying, and it's super cheap on your budget as well. I have one more face wash to talk about, which is this Biotique's Bio Papaya exfoliating face wash. This had got tiny granules which can exfoliate your skin very well. This is meant for all skin types. Me and my husband, we both use it. Good. We have already a backup for this one, so this shows that we love it like anything. And yeah, will recommend it definitely. You can try because it is not very harsh. This is quite mild on the skin, and that is something that is great for a natural product. You pay rupees 90 for 100 ml, so it's even easy on the pocket. So you can try this out if you are looking for a mild, gentle exfoliator. Okay, I have 2 more products to talk about in the skincare variant. This is a hair conditioner. It's a hair care, sorry. It's something I got free from Good Vibes. This is the avocado gel. This is a beautiful product. This conditioner is so good that it has renewed my faith in conditioners, because in my case, my hair is very weird. Conditioners don't work very well. They lead to a lot of hair fall. That's why I steer clear of conditioners. I only use shampoo. But this changed my thought, and I will definitely be reaching out for the bigger bottle for this one. This is a 10-gram product, and this was a free product. No pricing is for this will be available for you, because I don't have any reference point for the 10-gram. But this is a great conditioner. Avocado. The smell is good. The texture is nice. It's very easy to work with, and it didn't break my hair. That is a big thing for me. And another thing is, I have been showing you shower gels, but of late I am using more of soaps. So I have used up the Body Shop's Olive soap, which was a very beautiful product. It made my skin so soft, and even I used it during the winters after I was done with the shea butter. I loved it. I have thrown off the packaging, but I will leave an image of that here in case you want to know which variant I am talking about. And of course, it has a shower gel variant, I have heard. I will definitely search for that, and I will buy it because I prefer shower gels more than soaps. But yeah, I have also used this one up. I have kept the box for this one. Others I have thrown off, of course. This is the Lux's iconic Iris perfumed bar with Moroccan iris and patchouli oil scent. It's a beautiful soap. They have got shower gel variants for this one as well. This was gifted to me, so I thought, why waste it? I can use it up, so use this up. So that's it. Next up, I have got 3 makeup products to talk about, and then this container is empty. So the reason behind the blemishes, if you can see, I have a blemish right here, it's not going, is this one. BB creams and CC creams are nightmare to me. None of them suit. I love foundation way better. They don't break me out the way these products do. I have tried Lakme CC cream, BB cream, nothing works. And then I came across this one, which is Pond's White Beauty BB cream. Somebody said that it suited their skin, and didn't break them out. I thought, let me give it a try. Totally bad product for people who have acne prone skin. At least if you break out from Pond's products, because that is what my skin is like. I tend to break out from Pond's products. I should have stayed away from this, but I tried this and now I'm dealing with all the blemishes from the various acnes that emerged due to this one. Thankfully I purchased the smaller one, which is the 9-gram product. I have it's 88 rupees. It's mentioned in the back, but it's written in white over white. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not. Will I recommend? Never. I will never ever recommend any Pond's products, I believe, because none of the Pond's products till now has suited me ever. So this was a big flop from my side. I don't recommend it at all. And by the tone you understand, I'm quite annoyed with it as well. Next up I have this compact I have been using. This is from Gala of London. I have used this up. This was in the shade Pearl Natural Glow. This is a very basic compact, and I won't recommend this to anybody because after a certain amount of time, once you hit the pan, the product that is there in the periphery, this doesn't come out, which is a big issue for me because it dried out so much. I couldn't scoop up all the product that was there in the periphery, which is something I don't like, so I won't be recommending this also. I don't know about the pricing and all because everything is wiped off. Even the text that was written here on silver, that is also gone. I have one perfume I forgot to mention. This is Mua by Nykaa in the variant Bisou. I have used this up, this small one. I have actually 2 bottles of Bisou with me. One was gifted by my husband unknowingly that I have already purchased that. So yes, I love this fragrance. I will definitely, I have another backup once done. I might reach out for the bigger one, not sure. Same logic, I want to try more perfumes. If I keep on repeating, then that will be an issue for me. It's a candy sweet, very cute, very nice, very fun-loving girly scent, and I highly recommend it for teenagers. Everybody can wear any fragrance that they like, but this is something that I guess that teenagers will enjoy most. Not that it is restricted to any age limit. Price point, 250, 249, something like that. And lastly, I have a sketch pen. This is the Maybelline New York the liquid liner in collaboration with Gigi Hadid. I have used this up completely. I love this product so much. The wings are an easy way to draw with this kind of a product. You have a felt tip pointer like this, which allows you to have a smooth thin line or a thick line. Yeah, I could scoop up something. So yeah, see, you get a thin line, thick line, but yes, nothing is coming out after that. It's over actually. Highly recommend it for people who have difficulty drawing wings out because this helps with the wing very easily. I drew my last wing today with this one as well, and it was so easy to work with this from a thin liner to a thick liner. This is a very beautiful product. I love the finish, I love the packaging. I don't remember the pricing for this. I will look it up and I will try to link it in the description box below, or the pricing will be mentioned on screen for you as reference. So yes, my basket is fully empty, and finally I can throw these empties out now that I have shared with you. And I hope you had fun watching this video. If you did, and if you find some product and some review useful, then please make it a point to mention in the comment section what are your thoughts on these products. Are we on the same page or our thoughts differ? It will be nice to have a discussion in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and before you leave this video, please consider subscribing. It will help me grow further. Also, if you subscribe, please remember to hit the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.